Colton, Simone, good morning to you. First, I have to address the weather during this live report. Extremely windy and rainy, so excuse Mother Nature during this live report. So this trial is scheduled for next week for most of the defendants, but we were hearing that it could be until at least next year around this time until the trial starts for these defendants. According to new paperwork submitted, the attorneys for Talon Renner, who's scheduled for an October trial, believe they won't be ready for trial until next April. Preston Billy's attorney also saying the trial date is not realistic. Now, to remind you of the alleged crime, 7 young adults or teenagers were charged with the beating death of Preston Lord, Taylor Sherman, Dominic Turner, William Owen Hines, Preston Billy, Talon Vigil, Talon Renner, and Jacob Meisner. Only Hines has pled guilty and is currently serving 12 years in prison. And new information for you this morning, no plea offers have been made by the state to any of the remaining defendants. However, prosecutors say they will entertain a request for settlement by the accused killers. The hearing today is at 8:45 this morning, where we expect to learn some new information about when a trial date can realistically be set for these 6 defendants. And coming up in the 6 o'clock hour, one of the defendants on house arrest could be sent back to prison. We'll tell you why the prosecution is making that request coming up in the next hour, guys.